If you've educated yourself enough with the information available to us via the internet, then you should have realized by now that your pursuit of a career in the corporate ladder is futile at best. Basically, the idea is to start as an intern, then a regular employee, then move up to a supervisory and/or managerial position and finally up to the executive levels of the corporate business that you're in. Personally, I have nothing against this kind of aspiration, as I too once dreamt of such things myself. However, the toll it takes to get to exactly where you want to be could at least take 30 years, 20 if you're exceptionally good at it. Before we really get started, if you'd like to see free affiliate marketing training to find it much easier for you to understand, click the link in the description below this video. The problem is we all can't be exceptional, and aside from the fierce competition in play, you'll also have to face the insurmountable amount of bureaucracy, racism, favoritism, gender inequalities and other negative things in order to literally move up the ladder. The trade-off is not an ideal payoff even from an optimistically assessed standpoint. Therefore, I would advocate that you start your own business, and the cheapest way to do it is by building an affiliate marketing blog or website. Defining affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is an easy income-generating business method where you take the role of the promoter and help the manufacturers and sellers connect with the end consumers. It should be clear that whether you take a passive or active role in this business, you are by no means the originator or creator of the products, services you promote. But you will get a small portion of the sales as compensation nevertheless. It's basically a three-way relationship between you, the seller, and the customer. What affiliate marketing is not. If you get an unsolicited email inviting you to join an affiliate network and it's asking for an upfront payment, then you definitely have to scrutinize them and find out whether or not they're scam or legit. Go to the Better Business Bureau (BBB) and find out about the company. If you can't find any, then go to affiliate marketing forums and discussion boards. They would know a lot about these scam sites, as news spreads fast in social media and forums. Another thing to look for is if these people are selling you unrelated products or something that you will never be able to use, like the $350 Secrets to Affiliate Marketing Success book or some other catchy titles, although a few are genuine but they don't charge you that high. The truth is you can learn basic affiliate marketing from top-ranking websites and blogs. In fact, they can teach you more useful information than all those specialized books and DVDs that other people are selling. Becoming an affiliate is free when you sign up to affiliate marketing programs, and the only thing that will really cost you money is web hosting, which is around $70 to $100 a year for your affiliate marketing blog. A few other expenses may include a unique website blog logo, optional, your electric bill, hire a blog writer, optional because you can write the blogs yourself, and probably paid advertising to promote your website or blog, optional. Types of affiliate marketing. What's interesting about affiliate marketing is that you can earn commissions in more ways than most people think. Allow me to explain the three different types of affiliate marketing and how you can earn through them. 1. Unattached affiliate marketing. This type of affiliate marketing will not require too much work from you. You don't even have to set up an affiliate marketing blog like those for Amazon affiliate programs. This is more like a PPC marketing, pay-per-click, where you just show affiliate ads on sites that allow this kind of marketing and then get a commission for each click through that web users make on the ads. 2. Related affiliate marketing. This type of marketing is where you are required to have some level of involvement, and this is where you create an affiliate marketing blog or website and always show affiliate links on almost all of your website, blog pages. You also earn a commission for each time a web user clicks through the affiliate links. 3. Involved affiliate marketing. This kind of marketing may require you to actually use the products, services before you write a review about them, and you should be able to write a more comprehensive and honest reviews. You can choose from these three types of affiliate marketing methods, but most affiliate marketing programs uses the Type 2 affiliate marketing, which has some level of involvement and online presence from your end. Putting the cogs and wheels together. Now that you have an idea of what affiliate marketing is all about and what its common pitfalls are, you are ready to start your journey to financial freedom and a wealthy lifestyle. Affiliate marketing is just like any other type of business, and you'll have to plan a strategy months or even years ahead before you begin, so I will give you the basic strategy of how to become an affiliate marketer, signing up for affiliate programs, setting up your affiliate marketing blog, and all the other important details about it. Steps to become an affiliate marketer. 1. Decide what niche topic you want to use for your blog or website. It's better to write reviews or general information about products, services that you're passionate about, because you will write better articles for them compared to those that you don't like. For instance, if you're mad about crochet or kids' bicycles, then that is the niche you should pick for your blog. Affiliate programs have a huge inventory of items for sale, and they do include crochets and bicycles for a fact. If you're more of the business-minded individual and you think you can write just about on anything, then by all means pick the niche that's most profitable among the lot. 2. Create your website and purchase a cheap but reliable web hosting. You don't need a web designer to build a website or a blog. You can use WordPress, Weebly, Web.com, Blogger, eHost and others to do that. Using their user-friendly, click-and-drag features, you can create your blog website in 5 to 10 minutes. 3. Learn basic SEO and use it on your blog or website. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is a very good marketing strategy to allow your website to be known throughout the entire internet, or at least the majority of it. If your website is easier to find in search engines, then it is more convenient for people to visit it, and more visitors means more money for you. 4. Learn social media marketing to extend your presence online. In reality, social media marketing, or SMM, is also a part of the grand scheme of SEO, and without it, your SEO campaign would not be as successful as you'd expect it to be. There are literally billions of people hanging around the web on a daily basis, and much of them are in social media sites. It would be a logical choice to get visitors there for your website and increase your income potential. 5. Learn about paid advertising and consider it deeply on whether you need to use it or not. Paid ads help because they target the right kind of people who are already looking for products that you promote. Meaning there is a good chance that they will buy. Wouldn't you want them to buy products through your affiliate links? I would. 6. Start filling up your website with content. In case you plan to write boring and unimpressive blogs and articles, then I'd advise you to no longer continue in your pursuit of creating an affiliate marketing blog, because I promise you people will not want to read your blogs or visit your site. Write articles that will impress you first. This will let you know whether or not people will want to read about what you have to say. If you can find an extremely critical person to judge your writing, then that would be better, as it will help you greatly improve on your writing style. Reader engagement is absolute in affiliate marketing. It will determine your income capacity, so do your best in writing content for your site above all else. How you earn in affiliate marketing. The manufacturer-seller signs a partnership deal with the affiliate network or program, and in turn, when you sign up with the affiliate network as an affiliate, the partner affiliate network will give you a small percentage share on every item you helped sold. You'll need to embed or display affiliate links on your website or affiliate marketing blog about the products you're promoting. The purpose of these links is to guide your blog readers to the seller's webpage, which is usually in the affiliate network's site, so that they can make purchases of the items they like. The percentage commission on each sale range from 1% to 10%, some give more than 10% but rarely, and this is how you generate income. For example, a web user happens by your blog about coffee machines and she read your blog review or informative article. The reader was impressed by your blog and decided to click on the affiliate link, then make a purchase of one coffee machine worth $350. If the affiliate network allowed 7% of that amount to be your commission, therefore your income for that sale alone will be $24.50. You may notice that $24.50 is a small amount and not enough to convince you to become an affiliate. However, if you were able to bring 10,000 visitors to your blog in the span of 30 days and about 4,382 people bought coffee machines for themselves, then your income for that particular month should be $107,359. If you're able to bring as much visitors to your website on a regular basis, then you can bet that your monthly income should be around these numbers. Now you can appreciate the value that SEO and SMM can do for your affiliate marketing business. How much can you make? The straight answer to this question is, there is no limit to how much you can earn. The website called pickmyshiver.com around October or November 2013, and then 8 months later its regular monthly income became $8,446. If it had continued as is, it would earn over $50,000 a month by now, except that it was purchased in Flipper by an anonymous buyer for $60,100 around June 2014. That's just one website, and I'm pretty sure on your best day you can manage 2 to 3 sites for affiliate marketing. At this point I will let you use your imagination as to how much you can earn, or is it how hard you desire to earn? It's entirely up to you. I am confident that this article should help you get started in creating your own affiliate marketing blog and earn not just money, but your freedom from the everyday worries of life. Once you start earning over $8,000 a month, then you can buy more time to spend it with the people that matters to you most, your family. I wish you all the best, and don't forget to drop a comment below and tell me how affiliate marketing has changed your life like it has changed mine. Kit has been a student journalist since she was in junior high, and while she took up an associate's degree in computer science back in college, she was still active in her writing career. After many years working in several corporate offices, she found freelance online jobs http://davideeb.com on different websites back in January 2011, and she has been doing this ever since. Today she has made her own voice on the web by helping business owners set up their blogs and engage customers. Kit is also an affiliate marketer, and she plans to share her knowledge and experience with others as well.